So in this video, I am gonna show you how to save an Excel file as a PDF. Converting your Excel files to PDF format can make sharing data easier and ensure that your formatting stays intact across different devices. This is especially useful for creating professional reports or documents. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel sheet you want to convert. Now, open the File tab by left clicking on it. After that, left click on Save As and choose the location where you want to save your file. For the Save As type option, click inside the drop down menu and select PDF. If you want the file to open automatically after saving, make sure the option is checked mark and then left click on Save. The file should open in Microsoft Edge if you don't have Adobe Reader or Adobe PDF Reader installed. This is because Edge is set as the default PDF viewer in this scenario. This process results in a PDF file that accurately preserves the content from your Excel sheet. If Adobe Reader is installed and set as your default PDF reader, the file would open in Adobe Reader instead. So that's how to convert Excel file into PDF.